Hello everyone, I am Anand and I welcome you to CRS Info Solutions. In today's video, I am going to show you how to implement SLDS lightning hooks in your lightning web component. While in the previous video, we learned how to apply CSS in lightning web component. So I will walk you through each step slowly so you will understand it clearly. Make sure you keep a pen and notebook ready so we will write some notes and do hands-on coding together. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions and press the bell icon for more Salesforce related content. So first we begin with this coding part. Let's discuss what is SLDS styling hooks. SLDS stands for Salesforce Lightning Design System. If you are using base Lightning component like Lightning button, Lightning badge, and you want to customize their look and feel according to your client branding, you can do that using styling hooks. We essentially declare custom CSS properties inside our component CSS file and override the predefined styles of these base components. So let's jump to the Visual Studio Code now. First of all, I have to create a new Lightning Web component by right click on this Lightning Web component folder and select SFDX create lightning web component and enter the label name here, styling hooks. Pressing enter and choose a default directory where we have to save this lightning web component. Pressing enter. So you can see here our lightning web component created successfully with stylinghooks.html, stylinghooks.js and stylinghooks.js-meta.xml file. So let's start by writing the code from stylinghooks.html. So inside this template tag, we have to insert lightning card. Lightning card title equals to SLDS styling hooks for base lightning components. Let's create one div class equals to SLDS hyphen m hyphen around underscore medium. Inside this div, create another div base lightning component. Creating lightning button. Lightning button class SLDS hyphen P hyphen around underscore medium variant brand label submit. Use this tag here. After the lightning button, lightning button. For a lightning badge, we have to create one lightning badge. Badge label equals to active close. Years dev base lightning component with custom style. Lightning button, lightning button class equals to my hyphen new hyphen style hyphen for hyphen button SLDS hyphen P hyphen around underscore medium variant run. Okay, lightning badge class equals to my new style for badge new hyphen style hyphen for hyphen badge badge label is to active. So we have written our HTML file code. So let's explain this code. Here we have used standard SLDS class like SLDS around m around underscore medium and SLDS p hyphen around underscore medium. Below that, we added a section where we apply our custom CSS class alongside or instead of SLDS classes. So now let's add the CSS file. So first save this file and let's create a CSS file by right click on this and select new file, styling hooks, styling hooks.css. Okay. So so in this CSS file, we will define our custom styling hooks to override the base component style. Dot my hyphen new hyphen style hyphen around hyphen for hyphen button SLDS hyphen C hyphen button hyphen brand hyphen color orange orange carrot SLDS C hyphen button hyphen brand hyphen color hyphen border. Second class my hyphen style hyphen for hyphen badge. Yes, hyphen C hyphen badge hyphen color hyphen background green. SLDS hyphen C hyphen badge hyphen text color. Okay, so save this file. Here we have here we have used the SLDS -C button brand color background for change the button background color, and SLDS-C button brand color border change the button border color. Similarly, for the badge, we customize background and text color. These properties names as follows: the SLDS styling hooks structure. Now next open your uh, styling hooks.js-meta.xml file and change this setting false to true and create targets. Targets. Save this file and deploy this lightning web component to the org. So for deployment, right click on this styling hooks lightning web component and select deploy this source to org. Here you can see our styling hooks lightning web component deployed successfully. So let's move to the org and see the desired output. Here open this page, and from here I can edit this page. Let's search our lighting web component styling hooks. So drag this lightning web component and drop it here. Save this file and move back to the org and refresh the page. Some cookies or cache problem here. So delete these cookies, reload it again. Here you can see two sections, base lightning component, and the second one is base lightning component with custom styling. In the first section, button with default blue color, you can see here, badge with default white background. Now, and in second base lightning component with custom styling, button with red background and border, button with blue background and red border, and badge with green background and white text. And that's how you can brand your Salesforce component using SLDS styling hooks. So that is for this tutorial. Now, if you found this session helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos of Salesforce, and subscribe to our YouTube channel CRS Info Solutions. Thank you for watching and happy coding.